Dr. Alex Young joins us live with what to expect. Good morning.
Good morning.
So we're a month away from this. There's been a lot of talk. It's been some time since we've had a total solar eclipse. And so just to clarify, everybody across North America, including us here in California, we will go into complete darkness, right, when this happens in August?
You will, where you are in California, you will experience about 80% of the sun covered. So it's not complete darkness where you are, but you will experience what we call a deep partial eclipse. So you will see changes in light and temperature, even clouds, as that shadow is cast from the moon down on the earth, traveling from Oregon down to South Carolina. So everyone will experience a partial eclipse in the United States, and you will experience a significant one in California.
Doctor, I've heard of a term called path of totality, and I don't believe we're in the path of totality to witness this. Is that correct?
Right. You're not in the path of totality, so you will not see the total solar eclipse, but you will in fact see a partial solar eclipse. 80% of the sun is going to be covered by the moon, and it will be quite substantial where you are.
So, Doctor, why is this important to you at NASA?
Well, this is an opportunity for us to study the Earth. That shadow is cast down on the Earth, and it decreases the amount of light as it's traveling across the United States. And that affects our atmosphere. Changes in our clouds, changes in temperature will be observed. So we'll be recording this from the ground, and this is also an opportunity for us to engage the public as citizen scientists to help us gather data we need to better study our planet.
And how can they do that? I'm sure we have a lot of people watching at home who are going to be waiting for this to happen. How can they help you this year?
Well, they can join us by not only first observing the eclipse. We want to make sure everyone enjoys that by using safe solar viewing glasses, but they can also download the Globe Observer app. That will allow them to record changes in the clouds. They can use the thermometer to record temperature, and they will add to the data. So to make sure they observe it safely and then record it to be one of our scientists to help us with this huge citizen science project.
Oh, I love that. That's fantastic. Dr. Young, before we let you go, I understand NASA has a new mission to kind of continue to collect information on the Sun-Earth relationship. What can you tell us about that?
We do. We have the TSIS experiment, which is going to the ISS. We'll continue the 40 years of observations we've made of the energy that's going into the upper atmosphere. This is going to continue those observations to allow us to better understand what is the impact of the sun on the Earth and the changes in our atmosphere. And so this is a really important part of continuing the science we've been doing for decades.
Very cool. All right, we will look for that. We can't wait to see this eclipse. It is coming up August 21st. Everybody do a little research on how to view that safely. Download that app and help NASA do research on this total eclipse. Thank you for being with us.
That was cool.
Yeah, that was neat.
By the way, I'm starting a new band. The name of that band is Path of Totality. It's an awesome band name.
You know somebody's going to have to take that.
That's right.
Somebody's got to come up with that.
Hey, calling all fans who